What you got in your cart, buddy? You left an item out. You gonna get it? You gonna push your cart? Are you a customer in training? Here, wanna put this in your basket? Nico. Here, you took this one out too. Let's help you out. Oh, Jesus. Alright, let me pick up cleanup on aisle 7. You gonna put it back? Do you know where they go? Oh, in the cart. I see. Actually, we usually do get Cheerios. Put that back on the shelf, baby. Goes like this. See? Put it right up on the shelf. Sorry. We usually get Cheerios. We're not getting them today.